Hello, this is Cindy Shelton, your teacher, and I just thought I would check in on you to make sure that you're following the prescribed plan for success in this course. I've been observing from behind the screen, and I've talked to you some through email and phone contact, and always feel free to reach out to me if you have questions. But there's some that I thought might need this reminder of how to navigate in the most productive way to be successful in the course. So let's just run back through this real quickly. As a reminder, we click on your courses in your on your MyPath, find our course, and this is what your screen should look like. Just a reminder, you have these different boxes and they're collapsible, so over on this side you can expand that, or you could just click on that box and you'll see lots of information there. Here's where the syllabus quiz was always located. That was a big question I had, finding the syllabus quiz. And then also everything is in this MyLab Math link, all the assignments, anything that you're looking for that's the crux of the class, you know, the assignments, the tests, the quizzes, the homework, the syllabus quiz, all that. You can click on MyLab Math and that takes you directly to everything. So all assignments, your textbook is in there, your grade book, you can see your grade at any time, it's continually updated, and then some other supports for the course, so in that link. Okay, and then other helpful information here. The syllabus, really the same thing I'm saying here is also in this navigating the course. It was another link for that. But course information. Then we had, that one's just one that I can see, but then after that you had an introduce yourself box, and then module 1, which we're now past, it's closed now, but just this is how we should approach each module. We click on the link that says open this to print the included notes and watch the accompanying videos. So start by attending lecture just like you would in a live class. And so right here there's a document. You can click here and download the file. It downloads in the corner of your screen. You're able to pull up, print those, or follow along in some way to have access to the notes that I use whenever I do my video lectures. So then there's a video lecture. This is me. It's painful to see me, but anyway, this is what I've decided to do for the class. There's also book reps that have their own videos on here that explain the course inside of your e-text, so you have other resources, other videos you can find, but these will go exactly along with the document that I have made up for you for your notes for the class. Alright, there's additional note, 5.6, you did that as well. And then in some of these you might know some stray videos that kind of go off script, and I just left some of my old videos in there from semesters before where I reviewed for the midterm that kind of had pertinent information to this section. But those are more optional, I would say. Down through the actual note packet though, that would say it's mandatory success for the course. I think that's very helpful to attend the lecture before you start your homework. So that's how we do that. Then we have homework, 1.1 homework. Now when I click on this, it's going to deny me access because that's now closed. That due date is passed. So let me just close that for us. Then we start over. We're in module 2 right now, which is the chapter 3 logic chapter. And I always have this to tell you what the goals and objectives are for the course, what we're supposed to learn, the sections we cover. Not much in there, but that's that. And then our notes and videos again. So every module, every section we cover has this download the file so you can see the notes and follow along, and then the lectures are given below. They're usually in 15-minute increments. That's my YouTube limit. So also I think it's as long as you want to listen in one setting, so it's maybe good to have the 15-minute limit anyway. But so these are in 15-minute increments, and a lot of times to teach a section takes a few videos to get all the information in. Alright, and then here's the stray videos, like older videos with just reviews from various semesters. So those are more optional, but you know, get through the lecture part. Make sure you're doing that. Then after you attend the lecture and take your notes, get that information, then you start on your homework. So we have homework on 3.1. Here are the homework assignments. I'm sure you know that. You should be working on the Chapter 3 homework. That is due this Monday. So that's the current assignment due right now as of today. I would like to see that you're working your way through Chapter 3 and getting ready to take Quiz 2. And that will finish up Module 2. That's Module 2. And feel free to work ahead at any time. So if you finish up a module and you've got a good break to get ahead, I encourage that. It's not required, but that's helpful because sometimes we have a bad week and it's good to have a little bit of cushion there that you've worked ahead. So always feel free to work ahead if you like. Module 3 will be algebra, and a lot of us are going to be happy to be in algebra. This looks a little more familiar maybe than what you saw in Chapter 3, the truth tables. So algebra and a little graphing is in that chapter. Then we move to the metric system, and then we'll take a midterm exam. So just letting you know that's how things should flow throughout the semester. If you hit a rough spot, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I teach this course on campus. You're welcome to come join me, and we can talk in person or work with tutoring as well. So I teach the class on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9:30 in the Good Pastor Building, room 307, if you're ever available and want to attend a live lecture. But it really is exactly what I have in these videos as well, but then we could interact if you have particular questions. Alright, so hope you are having a good day and have a good weekend, and best wishes for your success in this class.